Aloha! Where am I? Oh, there you are. You're probably wondering about the balloons. Actually, it's Harry Yee's birthday, everyone, and he's turning 102 on September 26th. Wow, 102. So I thought I'd get him 102 balloons, just for his birthday. You know, he was born during the Spanish flu of 1918. Now, he gets to go through it all again. How dreadful is that? Yeah, another year older and another reason to celebrate. Hey, happy birthday. As you probably know, Harry Yee worked as head bartender for over 30 years at... Hang on. I can't do this. I want to be able to see things, you know. Here. That's better. Can you see me now? Get a little chair here. As you probably know, Harry Yee worked as a head bartender for over 30 years at the Hawaiian Village Hotel on Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii. A striking view from the hotel, I'm sure, overlooking a saltwater lagoon, a white sandy beach, and lush tropical gardens. You might see, looking out over the Pacific Ocean, some Hawaiian monk seals, green sea turtles, dolphins, humpback whales, and Hawaii's state bird, the rarest goose in the world, the nene goose. You know, if you're lucky, you might even see some pink flamingos and colorful blue and gold macaws. No wonder Harry stayed so long in one location. Sounds like paradise to me. In the distance, you've got a great view of Diamond Head, an ancient volcanic crater that's been extinct for around 150,000 years. In time past, it was used as a lookout for spotting menacing fleets of war canoes, along with guiding friendly visitors coming from outer islands. And of course, you had your, usual human sacrifices to the volcano along the way. The rugged crater got its name Diamond Head when 19th century British sailors discovered sparkling volcanic calcite crystals in the sand, and for one brief, exciting moment, mistook them for diamonds. During the Second World War, military installations were set up on Diamond Head. Spanning over 475 acres, it served as an effective defense lookout because it provided panoramic views of Waikiki and the south shore of Oahu. Today, though, it's a state park and tourist destination with over 1 million people visiting the crater each year. You know, some of the locations from the TV series Lost were filmed at Diamond Head. Spoiler alert! They're all dead! 6 years wasted! They're dead! Oh, man. And way back in 1975, Bob Eubanks and Jane Nelson hosted the only game show ever to have been taped entirely on location in Hawaii at Diamond Head. Remember the money booth on that game show? It was awesome. That's where contestants were put into a wind tunnel called the Money Volcano. They were given 15 seconds to pluck money out of the air. Sounds like fun to me. I wonder if it was the Diamond Head that became Harry Yee's inspiration for creating his Diamond Head cocktail. Just a thought. Even though Harry Yee created dozens of original tropical drinks, most of his recipes have either been lost in time, forgotten about, or were never written down. We all know his iconic Blue Hawaii cocktail, the Tropical Itch, and the Hawaiian Eye. But what about his Diamond Head? You know, I was lucky enough to receive a letter from Harry's daughter, Marilyn, where she came across this recipe. She writes, "I found my dad's Diamond Head recipe. Container, 5-inch vase. Build, fill with crushed ice." That's all she wrote. I thought, okay, I need a little more. Then a while later, she wrote, "Oops, here's the rest of the Diamond Head recipe." How cute is that? 1 ounce gin, 1/2 ounce apricot brandy, and fill with pineapple juice and garnish with pineapple and mint. Sounds simple and refreshing, doesn't it? I even discovered the Diamond Head cocktail pictured on a vintage Hilton Hawaiian Village tropical drinks menu, along with some of Harry's other creations. And look at that price, $1.25. I'll take 6, please. Let's hope Marilyn can uncover some other lost cocktail treasures of Harry's so that I can bring them to you. Okay then, let's make Harry Yee's Diamond Head cocktail. So in Marilyn's letter, it said Harry used a 5-inch vase. Now this is the closest thing I could find to a 5-inch vase in my glass collection. So I've just got it sitting here with some ice water and yeah, just chilling her down. It's getting nice and cold. So we're gonna get rid of that. And we're going to fill this up with crushed ice as instructions. And gin. Today I'm just using Beefeater. It's a London Dry. You could, I would imagine that if you start changing your gins up, this could change everything in this cocktail. But Beefeater, standard, 1 ounce. And apricot brandy, 1/2 ounce. And 2 ounces of fresh, guaranteed fresh, pressed pineapple juice. Yo. And a straw. We'll get these bamboo straws. You just want to stir it up a little bit. You know, I guess you could shake it and strain it out. But I think the reason Harry built it is because he's working in a high volume restaurant. And you usually build those things because you're just so busy. Boom, 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 next, boom, 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 next. And then all we want to do is garnish it here. I got this big ass pineapple here. Yeah. Ha. Should have got a sharper knife. Let's go again. What the hell? That's a blooper if I ever saw one, right? Yeah, I should have got a sharp knife. That's a good one. Beauty. And we're just going to cut a nice little wedge here. And the recipe called for some fresh mint. Okay. Slap that puppy. Yeah, you dirty mint. Sorry. Pop that in there. Oh my God, that's beautiful. That's absolutely looks gorgeous, doesn't it? I'm gonna give it a go. Wow, it's nice. It's really, really refreshing. The apricot comes up really up front. The gin is there for sure. And the pineapple just blends everything together. I just got a blast of mint in my nose. This drink is gonna dilute fairly quickly, okay? So you'll probably drink them fairly quickly. And make another, okay? Harry, you did fine. This is delightful. I like it. I bet you this would taste good with rum too. I wish you abundant happiness, Harry. This is a fine cocktail. It really is. It's lovely. And if you're gonna make it, anybody out there, you make it with fresh pineapple. Don't give me that canned stuff. Cheers. Harry, remember, you're older today than you were yesterday, but you're younger than you are tomorrow. Happy birthday to a legend. This is a nice drink. It's beautiful. Looks lovely too. I've got Harry Yee's Diamond Head cocktail in my hand, and you should have Harry Yee's Diamond Head cocktail in your hand to celebrate his 102nd birthday. You should also hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell to get notification, and check out some of his other wonderful, legendary cocktails. In the meantime, I'm just gonna toast to Harry. Cheers.